All right, 3 times something is 246. Let's look at the fact families and see if this can help us out. Remember, the product of a multiplication problem is also the dividend in the divisor problem. So this is division problems, I should say. So that's 246 divided by either one of the two factors. And the one we know is the 3. So I'm just going to show this is 246 divided by 3. And this should equal the blank from the multiplication problem. And yes, this is nice because it's more direct. So I can set this up with long division because I don't know my 3 times tables up to 246, but maybe you do, and that'd be fine if you did that very quickly. But I'm going to show this with long division. So 246 divided by 3. And I'd say, oh, okay, well, the 3, it's not going to go in the 2 in the hundreds place value. 2 is too small. But it will go into the 24. So 3, how many times is it going to 24? It's 8 times. And yes, that's exact, by the way. 8 times 3 is 24. So after we get rid of that, we don't have anything remaining. So I would just drop the 6 here. And yeah, I'm going to get rid of that 0 just so it doesn't confuse us. But I'm looking at the 3 and the 6. How many times is 3 going to 6? This one's not too bad. It's the second multiple of 3. So 2 times 3 is 6. When I subtract this out, I get 0 remaining. And my final quotient here is 82, which means that back here in the original problem, I can fill in the blank with 82. So we'll do the same thing on this next one. Now this is again, starting as a multiplication problem, but I'm going to change it in using a fact family into its division problem. And yes, the product is always the dividend. So that's 28 divided by either one of the two factors. And yeah, 4 would be the most useful because this is going to give us the blank. So if you need a long division, that's okay. Some of you know that 28, what 28 divided by 4 is. I'll still show the long division on this just because, I don't know, maybe I'm enjoying it more than I should. But 4 will go into 28 7 times. 7 times 4 is 28. Subtract, you get 0 remaining, which is kind of what we want on that. So 28 divided by 4 is 7, which means that's the blank. So I can fill in 7 in the blank there, and that would be the missing number.